Hello everyone, I am Ankur Sharma working with TCS. Today I am going to explain a secret recipe to clear interviews of big companies like TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. Let's talk about the reality which I face nobody is talking about. That is projects. But I am going to tell you guys about how a project can help you to get a job. So let's get started. In my TCS interview, I mentioned my two projects, which I done with working link in my resume. My third year project is a website, and you guys can't believe that. TCS interviewer actually visited my website in front of me while interviewing me and asked me how things are working out, main working modules, features, and how this project work easier. And they both are pretty much impressed with my project. That is a good sign of getting a job. The more the project listed on your resume, the more chances to get placed in a company. Now I am telling you guys what is in my project so that the interviewer attracted to ask question related to my project. My project is a website which is my third year project. This website is made for training and placement cell of my college. Before proceeding, let me open my website. Here it is. The main working modules are one click to send mail to those candidates who are eligible for the job on the basis of company criteria. It overcomes the problem of manually sending mails to the pupil student after identifying that student is passing the criteria or not. This project made work easier for my training and placement activities. Some basic modules covered in this project are one click Excel file for registered student with all details, new placement news for student, all listed companies with company link for student reference, admin dashboard for TPOs, training placement officers. Here's the homepage of my website named as CRC, the Corporate Resource Center. Here is the whole details of my college along with map integration. There is a student page where student can register themselves for placement activities. There is a place registration form for placement activities. There is a placement section. That page consists of company details with their working website links for student to know about various forms. Like here, this is mentioned Adaptia with the working website link. And there is an admin login that is for TPOs, training and placement officers, to manage all the backend work like mails, download Excel files of registered student, and many more. There is a contact us page for feedback. These are the modules of this website. If you want to know more how each modules work, comment below. I will definitely prepare a web video on it telling the same. Let's talk about some project ideas. Today I am discussing about two projects that is not yet done. Everyone is aware of cab services like Ola, Uber, Meru, etc. The fare rates of these cabs are different according to their location, fare distance, and many more criteria. So the project idea is simple but very useful. That is to create an app or a website that compares the price of these cabs and allow user to choose cheaper one and book the cab from the app or website itself. Let's take a deep look into it. How it works. If you are from development field, you are aware of APIs. But I am telling about API. API stands for Application Programming Interface that acts as a middleware. Let's take an example. In our app or website, use interact with modules of app. And our website uses that API to interact with cab companies like Ola and Uber. And for your request, that API extract information that is needed, and we can use that API hit to grab the information from all the cab services website. And so in the app or website, user can choose cheaper one and book cab from website itself. The working is same as Trivago. If you don't know what is Trivago, I will tell you guys. Trivago is also a website that compares price of hotels and travels. First of all, visit various cab services developer website. Gather information about API's integration. You can easily find it on Google. How to implement. Prepare a simple front end in simple HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. For API integration, you need a server-side programming language, that is PHP, ASP.NET or JSP. These server-side programming helps to integrate API work. So now discussing about my second project idea, that is a lost and found app. Let's know about this project with a live example. Suppose we are in college and we lost our key. Rather it is like a bike or room key. This make travel and more tough to find the one who found the key. So this is the main problem. So if we develop a website or app like OLX, where the one who find anything useful post the photo on that app or website, and the one who lost their belongings thing can visit that app. If that item is founded by anyone, he or she will get it without any problem very easily. And guys, you actually implement this project in small scales like colleges. This is also very easy where lots of things are there. These type of project always help you during your interviews, as you mentioned this project in your resume. Let's discuss how to start to develop this project. Simply you need a database knowledge, simple basic knowledge of SQL, simple front end knowledge to create the UI, basic tool if you want to implement that project in Android. So for creation of Android app, you need to know XML or Java or switch between Java and Kotlin. Hope you guys get what I am explaining about.